Based on your inspections, have markets been compliant with the maximum SRP that the DA has imposed, lalo na po Christmas season, so for sure demand will increase?
Well, yung sa carrots mukhang nasusunod, yung sa pork mukhang nasusunod at liempo 370, kasimpige 330. Yung white onion nasusunod, but yung red onion, nung bumisita ako, sumusunod sila sa market pag ako nag-present. Pero the day after, nung pinaikutan namin ng police, yung report, tinaas na rin nila. So may issue sa red onion that tomorrow I'm gonna get on it and try to see what we can do to call the attention of the people, mag-show cause orders and kung ano man ang legally possible para ma-address to at masita man lang at least, no?
Pwede ba yun? Kasi suggested lang, di ba? MSRP means maximum suggested retail price.
Yes,
It's still a free market.
Yeah. Enforceable ba?
Yun na nga, yun ang problema. There's a price act, but it has to be activated, no, at a certain tinatawag na there's a time period na kailangan para ma-compute mo kung sa daily price index tumaas siya. So we cannot do it immediately. So that's why I'm thinking of submitting a draft of a law that can, at least for imported items, na pwede namin i-dictate yung presyo niyan. Kasi nga, yung red onion ng London yan, 60 to 70 pesos lang. Tapos binibenta ng 250. That's too much.
But again, it's a free market economy, Secretary. Parang what you're suggesting are price caps, which goes against liberal market economy. So how would we tread that balance? Because if we were socialists, yes, you could put price caps whenever you want. But in this economy, how would it work?
For locally produced goods, talagang wala dapat price cap, or wala talagang because that's free market. But for imported goods, kasi for me, imported goods is it is not it is a privilege. It's not a right, no. So I think kung masyadong malaki naman yung profit than normal. I mean, I'm coming from business naman. I think yung 70 pesos na cost is bebenta mo ng 250 or 300 for that matter. I think that is profiteering. Ang tinitingnan namin yan actually profiteering angle. Yeah.
How would that work, Sec, no? Yung profiteering angle, like without setting, yun nga, caps or ceilings, price ceilings?
Price controls.
Now, we technically, as much as possible, ayaw ko rin yun. But I think from time to time, kung may mga runaway prices nga na hindi naman dapat, kailangan siguro, tingin ko may leverage din ng gobyerno to impose this. Kasi at the end of the day, it's the consumer that will be affected, which is the majority of all of us, di ba?
Pero Sec, di ba matagal na tong issue yung mga onions na yan, no? Merong ang onion cartel that they have been identified and we've already spoken about many times, di ba? About economic sabotage at yun yung gusto nating kasuhan yung mga yun. How are we doing on that end?
Well, as far as cartel is concerned, I don't think sa onion may cartel ngayon, dahil nga highly perishable to goods, no. Then the price now talaga dapat ibebenta mo kaagad but the thing is yung pagparating ngayon binabagalan nila no, or maybe the other reason also na sinasabi is when we talk to all the importers, no, puno lahat ng storage so hindi sila makapagparating, then yung disposal naman mabagal din, so it's kind of tricky. Sa yellow, walang issue nga. Yung red onion lang talaga. But I'm sure we're set to meet with the importers industry this week and pati retailers just to get to the bottom of saan ba yung bottleneck ba't nangyayari ito
So pinag-iisipan din ba natin na magkaroon ng import volume controls or limits?
Well, sa ngayon nga, dapat wala nga import volume control dahil wala naman harvest season sa red onion. So parang actually, I counted before the holidays na 78 companies na nag-i-import ng onion So marami. So and getting big, mas marami pa. So hindi I'm still trying to figure it out nga doon sa red onion